This is Chauncey Hutter Jr. with Real Tax Business Success. Today's topic is making up for revenue loss. How to make up for lost revenue in my tax business. This is a big one. A lot of flat or down years this past tax season. So I want to say a few things that you can do strategically that will make a big difference for you in the off season. One is I would highly recommend thinking very strategically about aligning yourself with other businesses that could scratch your back and that you could scratch their back. Other businesses, a lot of times with the same target market, the same clientele, you can join forces, so to speak. Some cases you might even go join forces in their office, or they come to your office. You might join forces with joint parties or celebrations or customer appreciation events, and you do it together and mix clientele and mix names and do business with each other, and, switching around. And so I highly recommend, now you can't do this with everybody, but there might be one or two businesses that you are able to do this with in the coming off season. The next 6 months are critical because you don't want to wait until the end of the year to be doing this and your cash strapped before next tax season. Ask your clients what they want. I mean, I recommend asking what it is they want, and then aggressively put together a toll booth strategy to, and what I mean by toll booth, if you haven't heard that term, you hold a toll booth. You are the toll booth for your customer base. You let people have access to them or not let people have access to them. So as you are asking your clients what they want, there are other vendors, other businesses, organizations out there that would like to, they're not doing so well in their business, and they would like to have access, and you can pay. They can pay you for access, and you can send a promotion to your list, your endorsement, or whatever. So that's what I mean by toll booth. You're holding a toll booth. Your main asset is your relationship with your clients, and so if you need to make up for lost revenue this past tax season, you increase your toll booth strategy. Allow other people to have access. Not just anybody. They got to be quality. It's got to work. It's got to make sense. It's got to be a benefit and value to your customer, but you also want to get paid for it as well. Thirdly, it's a great time to go back to the fundamentals, success fundamentals that make successful tax businesses. It's a great time. It's a great excuse. It's a great excuse to strengthen what you know you're supposed to be doing, but you've never taken the time to go back and do it. Now that you are financially, you can see the writing on the wall, and you got to do something. Now's a great time to go back and look at, hey, I've got to have a unique selling proposition. I've heard Chauncey talk about it, but I've never actually done it. I've got to have some guarantees in my business. I've got to build relationship in the off season with my, whatever the fundamental things that you're not doing in your business that you know you're supposed to be doing, you need to get back to them, because that really will ultimately make you stronger in the coming years. If you enjoyed this short nugget of information on how to maximize your success in the tax business, I've got 20 more videos just like it. You go to www.taxmarketing.com/free videos. Thank you very much.